solve this logarithmic equation, which is log 2 into bracket 6 minus x equals 3 minus log 2x. And we'll write out our question: log 2 6 minus x equals 3 minus log 2x. We'll take the log 2's to one side because they both have log 2's first. Log 2 6 minus x plus log 2x. When it crosses the equal to sign with the negative sign in front of it, turns into positive, and we'll leave the 3 out because we want the ones with the log on one side. The next we'll do is, since they both have log, you take one log out because there's a law or a rule on the logarithm that if they both share the same log and same base number, you can pick one of them, and if it's addition, you multiply them, and if it's subtraction, you divide. So it will be 6x times x equals 3. Next, there's a law on the log that if you want this log to disappear and everything on the side, the base would go this way and push this 3 to become in a power. That's another rule on the log. So you have 6 minus x times x equals 2 to the power of 3. This 2 pushes this 3. 3 that's an odd number, or a whole number now becomes a power. Then we can open this bracket and now have 6x minus x squared equals 2 over 3. If you look at this question is going from a logarithm question into a quadratic equation, and we have to finish it up. And since our answers are 2, that means we are in the right path. You can see from the answers we have 2 answers, so we're in the right path. So let's continue. Let's rearrange. We can rearrange by making sure everything, particularly this with the x squared owns this negative, we want it to have a positive, so we'll take it outside. Take this 6 outside, so it becomes minus 6. So you have x squared minus 6x, then the 2 to the power of 3 is having a positive sign. Since there's no sign in front of it, it's having a positive sign, plus 2 to the power of 3 equals 0. X squared minus 6x to the power of 3 is 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8, equals 0. Next on the line is we take into consideration 2 numbers that we would have to multiply, and if you look at the options, the options actually shows us that it's 2 and 4 for it to make it easy for us. So 2 numbers that we will multiply to give us 8, yet plus 8, yet when we add them it gives us minus 6. To be 4 and 2. We already know it's 4 and 2, but now we should understand our quadratic equation very well. So for you to get plus 8 and yet minus 6, so the 2 numbers will be minus 2 and minus 4. Both of them, when you add them together, gives you minus 6, and yet when we multiply them, minus 2 times minus 4, that's minus times minus gives you positive. 2 times 4 is 8. That will be our option as x squared minus 2x minus 4x plus 8 equals 0. I will take them in 2's. So we have what is common in this. Both of them have x's in them. So x will be left with x out of the x squared. Then you take the x from 2, left with 2. Then minus 4, you take out the minus and the 4. Although 4 is the only common thing we see here, not the sign. We'll have to take it out. Minus 4 in minus 4x, you'll be left with x, because the minus will cancel out. The minus will cancel out the minus, and the 4 will cancel out the 4. So you'll be left with x, and minus 4 in 8 plus 8. When it is minus and negative, either multiplying or dividing, you always come out with a negative. Then 4 in 8, that's 2. Once you notice that these 2 are the same, that means you're on the right path, equals 0. Next in line is take one of the x minus 2's, since they are identical, so you have x minus 2, then you'll be having x minus 4. You take this x and you take this minus 4, equals 0. x minus 2 equals 0 or x minus 4 equals 0. X is 2 or x is 4. Because when the minus 2 crosses the equal to sign, it turns to plus 2. When the minus 4 crosses the equal to sign, it turns into plus 4. And our answer is therefore x is plus 2 or plus 4, which is A.